Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your settings with Garmin step by step clearly. To reset your settings on your Garmin device, begin by turning it on. Locate the menu button on your device. Press the menu button to access the main menu. Scroll through the options using the up or down buttons. Look for the settings option and select it. Once in the settings menu, scroll until you find the system option. Select System to enter the system settings. In the system settings, look for the Reset option. Choose Reset to see the reset options available. You may see options like Reset All Settings or Reset to Default. Select Reset All Settings for a complete reset. Confirm your choice when prompted by selecting Yes. Your device will process the reset and may take a moment. Once completed, your Garmin will restart automatically. All your settings will now be returned to the factory defaults. Check to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you have any custom settings you need, be prepared to reconfigure them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.